In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Replit for Python programming. Now to use Replit for Python programming, you just want to head over to the Replit application, and from here we then have the ability to select our presets. So you just want to select or click on build application. We are going to use Replit in order to program our Python application. In here you just want to type your ideas. Let's say that we want to develop a tic-tac-toe game on Python CSS or Python language. You just want to click on the start button, and from there Replit will then use Python programming in order to create our application. So I'll just get back to you after Replit is finished creating our Python application right here. And after waiting for a couple of seconds, exactly around 30, we have successfully used Replit to program our Python tic-tac-toe game right here. So I'll just test it out by clicking on the start new game, and then let's see what happens when someone wins. And there you have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.